finally time for my Sportster to get some much needed attention. It's been pretty much neglected for the last 10 years, but I can't do my tires yet until I do a proper burnout. Okay, enough playing around. Let's get it started. This is a great project to break in my new Harbor Freight lift. First, we'll have to jack up the chassis to remove the rear wheel. It's getting a new brake rotor, tire, and some paint. First, we'll have to get this tire off. I use the C-clamp as a bead breaker. A little manipulation and it comes right off. Now I'll grind all the wrinkle black off with this wire wheel. Might as well get this squeaky brake rotor off now. This hardware comes off pretty easy if you heat it up. The red Loctite is heat sensitive. Now I'll just tape off the spokes in preparation for spray painting. It's a little chilly today, so I decided to heat up the rim first. Time to turn these wheels red. Time to pull the tape for the reveal. One freshly powder-coated rim. Lost the receipts. Time to wrestle this tire on. That's a nice retro old school look. Now on to the cosmetics of the engine. First we'll have to get this custom exhaust out of the way. Now I'll remove the foot peg and shifter. also remove the plug wires, coil, and carburetor. Also get the gas tank out of the way. I'll also remove the top motor mount. Now it's time to mask it up. Now I'll apply the wrinkle black. The trick to this paint is heating it up after you spray it on. You'll get an amazing finish this way. One rebuilt engine, lost the receipts. Well, that's about all the time we have for this video. Be sure to tune in next week to see all the progress on this bike. Sure can't wait to ride it around here in the desert. See you next time on the Maker Hack Shack.